powering the world's tech. You probably haven't heard of it. It's one of the most important places for technology on the planet. Let's take a look at the hidden gem. Research Triangle Park, Raleigh, call it home. Breakthroughs in software from your phone's microchip to global cloud networks has roots right here. Robotic arms. There's a reason RTP is a magnet for talent, and then goes global. Gadgets and code. We're talking tens of thousands of jobs, booming local businesses, and they're not exaggerating. This place is the backbone of the state's tech economy. TP isn't just resting on its laurels, it's diving into AI, green tech, next-gen communications, you name it. Imagine AI labs buzzing with ideas, solar panels powering smart buildings, next leap in technology. This place is shaping what's next, not just for North Carolina, but for the entire world. So next time you pick up your phone or hop online, the heart of it all, the future of global tech innovation, more stories like comment and share if you're as obsessed with tech